Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Ford Ranger T6 headlights. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface, facing a flat wall. Measure 25 feet from the wall to the front of your Ranger. You will need a tape measure, some masking tape, and a Phillips head screwdriver for this task. Proper preparation ensures accurate and effective headlight aiming for optimal visibility and safety. Now, let's mark your aiming point. Measure the distance from the ground to the very center of your Ford Ranger's headlamp bulb. Carefully transfer this measurement to the wall, creating a horizontal line with your masking tape. This line represents the ideal height for your low beam cutoff. Repeat this for both headlights to ensure symmetrical marking. This step is crucial for precise adjustment. With your marks in place, it's time to adjust the beam. Open your hood and locate the vertical adjustment screw on the back of each headlamp assembly. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, turn the screw clockwise to raise the beam or counterclockwise to lower it. Aim for the top edge of the brighter light zone to meet your horizontal tape line. Adjust one headlight at a time for clarity. Finally, verify your headlight aim for safety. For halogen lamps, the top of the beam should sit directly on your tape line. If you have HID lamps, the beam should be approximately 2 inches below the line. Block one headlight to clearly observe the pattern of the other. Remember to recheck your alignment if you frequently tow or carry heavy loads, ensuring optimal road illumination and preventing glare for other drivers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.